Mary and Andy. Woo! Lina from Anything But Salad. Make sure you check out her vlog. She is on fire. Cassie and Garrett back there enjoying some tea and cafe.
Delicious iced tea.
Yeah. We are on the floating market outside of Bangkok. We just picked up some cafes. All right, cheers. Or should I say Chan?
Hello.
Just happened.
What just happened?
I just haggled.
Oh, you did.
For sure. Now, if you know me, I am not a haggler. Actually, I'm quite the opposite. Typically what happens when I haggle is I end up paying more than what they originally asked. So, I don't know, maybe it's the Thai coffee, but I just haggled and got a pretty sweet tank top for a pretty good deal, so something's in the water.
One of the biggest things with haggling that you need to understand is A, you probably don't need any of it. So keep that in mind. And number two, be willing to walk away. Like that's the biggest rule of like learning how to haggle is you just need to learn how to walk away. Like if you just hand it back, like go find it somewhere else.
You probably just don't even need it. Just do yourself a favor and don't buy it. Some deers on the canal, a Chang, apparently Chan or Chang? Chang. Whatever John's saying means elephant, so we're drinking elephant beer. It's not too bad, but it's nice on a nice 80-degree day out on the canal, so Chong. Alright guys, so we just got off the boat. We are at a coconut sugar farm. Is that accurate?
Yeah, coconut sugar farm. So
we're gonna go check it out.
Yeah, not quite sure what's up with it, but
coconut sugar. Our floating markets adventure. Andy, how was it?
It was awesome. It was so much fun. It was definitely a different experience than like going to a shopping mall.
Yeah. Lina, John, how are the floating markets?
Good, I'm sleepy.
Is it lunchtime yet?
It is lunchtime.
Lunchtime and nap time.
Yeah. Cassie, Garrett?
Yes?
How are the floating markets?
Very good.